Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe because we bring you amazing information on how to build, protect, preserve, and transfer your wealth. And today's topic is something I have real life experience on. It's how to use a life insurance policy to build your wealth and do cool things like buy real estate. So let's rewind the clocks, right? After I got out of college, I got into the professional world and I was presented with some choices that we all have, right? Things like starting to pay for your own health insurance, you get off your parents' plan, and things come up like life insurance. And I was faced with the topic, do I need life insurance? Should I get it? Should I not? And I think when we're younger, or really any age, a lot of us think, I don't know if I need life insurance, right? I'm fine, I'm healthy. I've heard people say that in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and I'm so thankful that I ended up getting life insurance in my mid-20s, and here's why. I was faced with a choice. Do I get term life insurance, meaning pay kind of a low monthly fee that will lock me in for 15, 20, or 30 years, but at the end of that term, my coverage expires. Then I have to requalify. By that time, I'll be a lot older. I could have health risks. Or do I lock in a IUL, an indexed universal life insurance policy that stays with me forever? I chose the latter. So I chose to get an IUL. Here's why I chose to get it, right? It's basically coverage for life. So it has a couple different things. It has life benefits, death benefits, and it's an investment account that's tax-free. Meaning because I chose to do that, I now have protection for the rest of my life. If something happens to me early and I pass away, I have a nice big chunk of money as life insurance that goes to my family, right? If I lose my job or I get disabled or something happens, there are living benefits in there designed to protect me. And the other really cool thing is it's an investment account. So all the money that I'm paying every month to just insure my life as it is, it actually goes to an indexed investment account, and that index follows the S&P 500. The cool thing about this is I'm investing and protecting myself at the same time. I found that to be really cool. Now what happens, and this happened to me over time, is that life insurance policy, the cash value of it grows over time. And after a while, your policy has cash value that you can do things with it. You can take out loans and take out money against it. And so what I chose to do is take the same money that I'm already paying to insure myself and then pay myself back by taking a loan and going to buy real estate. And you might think, well, are there high payments? Not really. My payments to take loans out against my own life insurance policy have a 1% interest rate. And there's no penalties on how long I have to take to pay that back. So the cool thing is the last time that I needed a down payment, I needed about $40,000 to buy real estate. I used my life insurance policy. I took a loan out for $40,000 from my life insurance policy, and it's a loan. It doesn't change the overall value. The value of it keeps growing. Now I have $40,000 that I can do whatever I want with, that I only have to pay a 1% interest on to borrow the money, which is way cheaper than credit cards, bank loans, or anything like that, and I can pay it back whenever I want. So the cool thing about this is to get really creative. Now, IULs aren't for everybody, but they're for people who like to invest, build, protect, and grow their wealth. And I think my opinion is if you're going to get insurance coverage one way or another, an IUL makes sense. And they actually make sense for people who are in their 40s and 50s as well. They have the same benefits, right? The same thing protects you. So if you're interested in learning more about what an IUL could do for you, and then a plan on how we could help you get into a life insurance product like that to protect yourself, build your wealth. And then the cool thing about being connected with me is I can also help you use that with a plan to go out and do things like buy, invest real estate. So if that sounds interesting to you, reach out to me. All my information is here. We have some free guides as well, but that is exactly how I got started with my journey on life insurance and using an IUL to buy real estate.